sorry about my filming.
It's okay. No, it's my fault. I should have like have it set up like the GoPro.
Today is meet day.
It's meet day. I already filmed a little bit when I was prepping the car. Yeah, we're headed there now very early to just like get a spot and make sure there's not too many people there already because it's an underground parking lot. So we will see. Late on. Oh no, we're actually early. I wanted to get there at 6 and it's 5:40, so I think we'll get there kind of exactly on 6. It should be good, and then we'll set up. And then we have to take a reel to help people get in because it's too confusing. And to make sure that people don't go like the way where there's like the most speed bumps. But yeah, and make sure people don't go up to the roof anymore because we changed the location from the roof to underground because it's just cooler. It's just cooler. The roof is like potentially quieter, but you have to take like an elevator to get into like the shopping center to eat. And then the underground, you just take stairs. It'd be better to see if we can fill out a smaller space than have a big space and not be able to fill it out because it's only like our real proper, like maybe our second or third meet. I don't know what I'd say, but.
Oh my god, here we go.
Oh yeah, so.
Oh, you got the camera out with the baby in the back.
Hello, yay, hello.
That's so cute. The colourful.
How good does it look?
Yeah.
Look at the sticker on it. Finally.
Here, sit down. Oh no.
Look at the sticker, man.
I know.
It's never had one. Who is it? Who is it, Tia? Who is it?
How is it? How is it?
You gotta pop the bay, man.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, of course I've seen it, but you have to open it, man. No one's gonna know. Oh, it's another DA. Can you open this? When you're down, it's the only thing I'm looking for. Another one. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice, man. Oh, by the way.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Welcome.
You here?
Here we're filming stuff.
Film everything.
Film everything. Let's go. What the? What the?
Yeah, I see on demand. It's nice.
What the?
29? Sorry? 29? No.
What?
Higher. 31.
I just like stalk Austin. Is that how this works?
You're asking the wrong person.
I don't really. Maybe. Hi Rico. What's up?
What's
How
up?
you doing?
Just waiting for everyone to rock up.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. That's good. He came in the forest over there.
Okay, I see.
My daily just event.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Hey.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
It's good to see the car back on the road.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for more people to come through.
Who is that? Who is that?
I'll say hello.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing, bro? We ended up bringing this one.
Yeah.
How was the rent?
No. If I pulled the
Oh, who's this guy? Who's this guy?
Let's go see the main.
Thank you. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just like, I'm literally copying that guy. I saw him doing stuff and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get on the ground too.
They'll fix it in post. Still waiting for more people to come.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's still pretty early. What's the time? 7:40. Dude, I was like, shit, no one's coming, and it was like 4 minutes past 7:30. You're freaking out for no reason. Oh, it's a D8.
Whoa, that's nice.
Yeah, his is really nice. Yeah, I've seen this one before. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
We got 3 D8s here.
This one's nice, man.
It's a US spec. Oh, what is that front thing? That's so cool.
Yeah, it's a hood bra.
Oh, wow, that's fucking cool. Yeah, I want my tire over there. Woo! My tire is active.
What's up, man? You made it.
My bumper came off.
Sorry guys,
What's up, Bibsy?
how you doing, Bibsy?
Tired, but
We
I'm
moved.
still happy to be around.
That's it, my guy.
Yeah.
We got Hungry Jacks now.
I know. Jack's hungry, yes, I know.
Jack is very
Cup the bud.
We just had our meet on Friday. Thanks to everyone that came out. It was really good, and we do plan on having more. The car made it to and from the meet, no problems. Still leaking coolant though, which is what we're doing today. So I have a small coolant leak right by my heater core. The result of the heater core pipes being bent out of whack, which is very common for Hondas because they're made of copper. They bend so easily. And mine got bent when my bay got painted because when the hoses were removed, as you would normally do, you would get clamps, squeeze down, spin, and it undoes the crustiness that holds it on even after the hose clamp is removed. Except that if you do that for the heater hoses, it just crushes the pipe inside. And that's exactly what happened to both of my heater pipes. And that can result in it'll never pretty much seal on the hose, even if you try to bend it back to normal, and it leaks inside the car, which both is happening to me. So there's two solutions. You can block off your heater outlet on the engine. Some people prefer it because apparently it sends all of your coolant back to the radiator, or you can just loop it, which kind of just simulates having a closed heater tap. So I got this from my local auto parts store. It's kind of, I opened it on camera before, except that there was no audio and it was just static because my mic is broken. So it was literally in this plastic thing. It's like they have all these random pre-bent hoses, and I just got one with a 180 bend so I can loop it to and from the engine. And then I just got some hose clamps. Oh, there is a red back. These hose clamps are 18 to 25 mil. And the inner diameter of this hose is 19 mil. So I think that's like 3/4 inch. I don't know, Imperial. Car is already jacked up. So what we're gonna do is just pull off the hoses, drain the coolant. I only jacked it up so I can actually, so I don't have coolant all over the floor. So let's see how we go. Right before I remove this one, I'm going to check if my pipe is the correct size on this one. Go. Same side. Thank you. Just trying to get
It's already running.
Yeah, I'm just fixing because it has some leaks. The audio on.
Okay.
There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Coolant system is isolated from the heater. Now what we got to do is block off the heater side of it. No clue what I'm going to do with that, not gonna lie. And refill the coolant and see if there's any leaks. Also on the water pipe, this little dude has been dripping. I just took the bolt out because I don't have a proper block off for it. So I just put a hose and clamped in a bolt. I know it's pretty dodgy. But, bro, if it works, it works, and I mean, clearly it wasn't working because it's leaking, but I'm just gonna seal that guy up. RTV, 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 oh no, that's not it. Where's my RTV? When you start to work on cars often, and if you're watching this, you probably already do, you would recognize this. This is the oh, that looks kind of fucked, hey. This is the RTV screwdriver for every time this fucking seals on the outside and you need to... Oh, perfect. Oh shit, that's too much. Perfect. If you're caught in a jiffy and you have some leaks and you have access to some hose clamp, some hose, essentially if you don't have a block off, bolt that shit up. Our plug is all plugged. You can see a little bit of RTV there. I tightened down the hose clamp for there. Maybe like half an hour or so. I know RTV is supposed to be like 24 hours, but it's like, don't really want to wait 24 hours. So if it pops a leak, it's my fault. It'll be my fault if it leaks. But then I feel bad for like mechanics who have like a shop and like say it's like a stupid like leaky coolant thing and you just need to RTV it, and then it's like, customer can't take the car back, you have to wait 24 hours. So I'm pretty sure most of the time they wait like an hour at tops, so. Yeah, which is exactly what I did for when my K20 intake adapter leaked. It was the day I was gonna get this driving, so I didn't want to wait the whole 24 hours. I maybe waited like half an hour at best, and it was perfectly fine. Like, it's still not leaking there, so while we wait for that, let's clean up a bit. good. Just tied it all up, needed to tighten down one of the hoses. I hope you can see me. Yeah, the coolant system is officially isolated. I don't have to worry about any more leaks. Now, what's next is probably the IACV. I need to reseal it. It's not doing its job. That's why the revs, the idling revs are so high, even though on K-Pro it's set only to like 750, 850. And that's for another day. So, I'm going to go to bed. As you should too.